Hello, friends. Who is in the house? Who is in the house? It's me, Ibodema. I am live and direct. I am live and direct. Please, can you give me thumbs ups? Thumbs up when you come in. Say hi. Thumbs up when you come in. It's me, Ibodema. Who is in the house? Hello, guys. Who is in the house? Ndị Igbo ndị ọma njem ọnụ. Nwada Adorumba is on live stream today. I am calling on young YouTubers. Where are you guys? Give me thumbs up if you come in live. I am today live and direct. Live and direct. Say hi when you pop in. Ndị be anyị ekele m unu. Nke onye chiri ya zelekwa nwanne. Nke ichiri zerokwa. Today I will show you as well. You know our children, they don't like eating veg. They don't like eating veg, especially spinach, which is rich in iron. Mommies, parents, I'm going to show you the tricks. How I do my smoothie. How I do my smoothie with different kinds of fruits and spinach. I also add carrots as well. I will show you. Our children, they don't like eating veg. I will show you how to prepare the smoothie with spinach and they will enjoy it. They will finish and come back for second turn, okay? I will show you how to do the smoothie today, all right? Who is there? Can you indicate yourself? Thumbs up. Say hi to the host. I'm calling on young YouTubers. Please, if you pop in, just grab me, guys. I'm going to wash my hands to start the smoothie. I just wash my hands. You see my food bank, my fruit bank. You see my fruit bank? I have loads of fruits here. I have loads of fruits. Who is there? Who is there? Who is there? Please, can you? Who is there? It's my first time. Please bear with me. All right. It's my first time. Bear with me, okay? Can you grab me? Ibodema. Can you grab me? Can you grab me, guys? Young YouTubers. Come on, let's relate and help each other to grow. Today, I'm going to show you the smoothie, the way I do my smoothie with spinach, different kinds of fruits and spinach. I have my pineapple here. I'm going to use 2 pineapples. I'm going to use these 2. I have Galia melon. I have 2 Galia melons. I have honeydew melon. I have this honeydew melon. There are many kinds of melons. So I'm using Galia and honeydew melons, okay? I have my cucumber. Guys, keep grinding, keep grabbing. Grab me, please. Grab me. This is my cucumber. I will use 4 carrots. I will use 4 carrots for my smoothie. I also have spinach. I have a bag of spinach. Please, can you grab Ibodema? Grab me when you pop in. Grab Ibodema. Calling on young YouTubers. Come on, let's relate. Please give me thumbs up when you pop in, please. Sorry guys, sorry guys. Who is in the house? Who is in the house? Can you drop your comment? Let me see you. Drop your comment. Drop your comments, guys. Drop your comments. How is your day today? How is your day today? How is your day today, guys? How is your day today, guys? Hi, guys. Who is there? Hi, guys. Who is there? Hi, guys. Come on, guys. Only two people watching. Please pop in, pop in, pop in. Let me show you how to do this smoothie. Hi, guys. Okay, I've showed you my cucumber and my carrots and my spinach. I showed you. I have so many fruits in my fruit bank. I have so many fruits. But today I'm going to use these few. Carrots, cucumber, Galia melon, and the honeydew melon. Carrots as well. I have pears here, but this will be for next for the next day. Okay. I'm going to cut my melon. I'm going to cut my pineapple, please. Before I cut my pineapple, I'll first of all put my spinach in the bowl and pour water and little salt in it. Okay. Hello guys, who is there? If you pop in, Can I see your thumbs up, guys? Yes, guys. Hello. Ndị Igbo ọma m, ndị ọma njem ọnụ. Sorry for speaking my local language. You know, in my channel, I teach Igbo language. That's my local dialect. My dialect. So pardon me if you hear my language, okay? Because that's my language, okay? That's what I teach in my channel. I also, please grab me, guys. Grab me, guys. Grab me, grab me, grab me. Grab Ibodimma. Grab Ibodimma channel. Young YouTubers. I'm going to wash my spinach, all right? I'll add little salt. Add little salt. Add little salt. You see, this smoothie, you can use it for your pudding. You can use it for anything. You can use it for appetizer, anything you want to use it for. Smoothie is nice. It's quite good. It's quite good, especially fresh one. There are some tablets. There are some capsules made with different kinds of veg and fruit, but fresh one is always better. Hope you are seeing me, guys. Hope you are seeing me. Oh my days. Hope you are seeing me, guys. Are you seeing what I'm doing? Are you seeing me? Are you seeing me? Please, can you indicate if you are seeing me? Yes, you're welcome, Namdi. You are welcome, Namdi. I can see you, Namdi. You are welcome. You are welcome, Namdi. I can see you. Yes, I saw your comment. I saw your comment. I saw your comment. Thank you for coming in. Thank you for coming in. Thank you for coming in, guys. I need some thumbs up. I'm calling on young YouTubers. Come on, let's relate. Let's relate. Let's help each other to grow. Okay. Can I see your thumbs up? Thumbs up if you come in. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. So I'm cutting my pineapple. Nnamdi, how was your day today? How was your day today? How was your day, Namdi? Namdi, how was your day? Oh, Namdi, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Thank you. Thank you. What have you been doing today? Who is there? Who is there? Who is in the house? My day has been good. What have you been doing today? You went to school today? Have you been to class? Or not yet? Hello, friends. Who is in the house? 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 Hello, guys. Who is in the house? Hello, guys. Who is in the house? Yeah, Nadi said he had his first online lesson today. Oh, good, good, good. Good, good, good. Hello, guys. Who is in the house? Hello, friends. Can you join me? Can you join in, please? Please like, comment, and share. Please like, comment, and share. Who is in the house? Please, can I see your thumbs up? Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Please, can you say something? Tell me your name, please. Hi, guys. So I'm going to cut my pineapple while my spinach is soaking. Okay, I'm cutting my pineapple. I'm making a nice smoothie for the family. Who is in the house? Receptionist, please can you give my guests a special room? Please can you say something so I know you're there? Guys, where have you all been? I haven't seen anyone. Few people. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, guys. Can you drop a comment? Drop a comment. I'm slicing my pineapple. Slicing my pineapple. I'm slicing my pineapple. Can see my pineapple. Hello, guys. Who is in the house? Please, can I drop a comment? Just say hi. Let me know you are watching. Just say hi. My fellow young YouTubers, can we relate? Can we help each other to grow? Okay, that's my pineapple. That's my pineapple cut. All right. Let me chop the Galia melon. Chop the Galia melon. My Galia melon. Who is in the house? Can you say hi, please? Let me know you are watching. That's my Galia melon. I'm chopping it. Hello, guys. Who is in the house? Please, can you say hi? Let me know you're there. I'm doing smoothie. Smoothie is a healthy drink. Smoothie is a healthy drink. It's good for your body. Especially when you add spinach. You know, our children, they don't like spinach. Mummies, this is another way for you to be giving your children spinach. You add it in your smoothie. They will drink everything and request for another. That's my Galia melon. I raise my chopping board and use for another thing. Please, can you say hi? Let me know you are in the house. Please say hi. I'm going to chop my cucumber. I'm going to chop the cucumber. This is healthy drink. Very, very healthy. Hi, guys. Can you say hi? Let me know you are in the house. Where have you all been? Where have you all been? Now I'm going to grate this carrot. I'm going to grate the carrot. Where is my grater? Hang on, guys. I'm coming. It's better to grate it because it's hard. It's harder than other fruits, and it's vegetable, so it's harder than fruit. So I'm going to grate it. That's my grater. I'm going to grate the 4 carrots I'm going to use for the smoothie. Who is there? Who is there, guys? Say hi. Let me know you're there. That's my carrots. Hello, guys. Who is there? Hi, guys. Hello, who is watching? Who is in the house? Hi, Namdi. Hi, my handsome guy. I'm grating the carrots. I'm grating the carrots for smoothie. Who is in the house? Hello, guys. Iwodima is calling you guys, you young YouTubers. Young YouTubers, come in, let us relate. That's my last carrot. For the smoothie, I have here pineapple, Dahlia melon. I'm going to add another honeydew melon. Hello, hello, hello. Who is in the house? My carrot is ready. It's ready. My carrot is ready. That's my carrots, my grated carrots. I used grater to grate it. Who is in the house? Who is there? Okay, I'm going to use this type of melon again because I've cut Galia melon. I'm going to use honeydew melon as well. There are many types of melons. I'll use half. I'm going to use half of it. Mommies, hope you are watching. Not only for children, even for adults. But the one thing bad is that our children, they don't like eating veg. See this spinach, if they see veg in food, they'll just leave your table and run away. So this is another tricks to make them eat, to get iron from spinach. If you do this, if you prepare this smoothie and you add spinach, fresh spinach, that's another way your children can get um, enough iron, especially from spinach. Spinach contains iron, and our children, they don't like it. So by doing it this way, you will see your children will be eating. They'll be consuming enough spinach. You see, different types of fruits, cucumber, Galia melon, honeydew melon, pineapple. That's what I have here so far. I have my peeled pear. I've already peeled the pear because I like using well-ripe pear. Well-ripe pear. So it will make it more juicy. To make it more juicy. You see, this one is unripe one. This is unripe one. But I prefer using ripe one. because it will make it more juicy. Okay. This is ripe pears. Okay. You add your ripe pears. Okay. After this pear, now I'm going to wash my spinach. Now I'm going to wash the spinach. I wash the spinach like twice, 2 times. Remember, I already soaked it with salt. I've soaked it with salt. Who is in the house? Hello, guys. I washed the spinach for the first time. I'm going to wash it again for the second time, okay? I'm washing my spinach for the second time. Oh, let me move the fruit so we don't contaminate it with hair. Okay, guys, I'm going to start blending. I'm going to start blending my smoothie. I'm washing the spinach for the second time. All right. I've got the spinach. Who is in the house? That's the spinach. I washed my spinach. So I'm going to start blending. You see, I have my jug for the smoothie. That's where my smoothie goes, okay? I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. Okay? This is the veg, the fruits. I have here Galia melon, honeydew melon, cucumber. This is great carrots. I grated my carrots and spinach. This other fruits is for another day. Okay. So I'm going to start blending. I have 2 jugs for the smoothie. If this one is filled up, then I will transfer into this one. For now, I'm going to use it for water. This is blender. It needs small little water to turn. Okay. So I'm going to add a little water. I'll first of all rinse this a bit. Just rinse it, You never know. Okay. So now I'll start blending little by little. I'll add carrots, add spinach, go down a bit to have little melon and cucumber. If you keep doing this, lovely, believe me, you won't be having all this heart problem. Though we are trying to lose weight anyway, and this will help you to lose weight. You can use it for your pudding. Use it for anything. I'm blending now. It's blender, you need to add little water. Now you start adding more. With that little water you added at the initial time, you start adding because the fruit has brought out some juice, so it will help you to blend more than adding water. If you add too much water, it will be tasteless. The blender has a number one and number two. Now I'm going to high it number two to make it more smooth. Okay, you see, it has little green color because of the spinach. You see, tell me how your children won't get enough spinach, iron with this smoothie I'm doing here. Very healthy drink. And you add your spinach. You see, 1 packet of spinach. Tell me how they won't get enough vitamins, minerals needed for the body. Tell me how they won't get this. If I do this twice a week, This will help you if you're having a heart disease, BP, sugar, high blood pressure, diabetes, all these sicknesses. This smoothie will help you because you'll be getting enough minerals that will help your immune system, to boost your immune system. today. No much people in the house today. I add more because I have gotten enough juice. So I don't need water. Yeah, this one is done as well. This one is done. This is my second jug. You see? Tell me how you and your children will get enough vitamins and minerals to boost your immune system with this smoothie I'm doing here. Remember my fruits? I have pineapple, I have Galia melon, honeydew melon, cucumber. Have I said pineapple? Yeah. And carrots. See my carrots and spinach. Tell me how you won't get enough minerals to boost your immune system. Iron. All these contains in these things here. Okay. I do this twice a week. Your children will be looking healthy. Even yourself, not only children. Even yourself. Oh, I've used my jug. So I've used this cup to add little water. Little water. You add little water and start blending. I'll add my spinach later. I'll start adding spinach, you guys, and I have enough juice from fruits. You see? Can you see the spinach? Tell me how you won't get enough. How is your immune system is not gonna boost with all this? I need to use this turning stick to go down a bit to help the blender so it don't spoil because it's well loaded. Oh yeah, it's running now. I'm going to add more pears. This is my peeled pears. I'm going to add more because the more sugary taste it has, that sugary taste from the fruit, not artificial sugar. The more sugary taste it has, the better for the kids, especially because we adults we don't have problem. The problem is the children. So well ripe pear you should use well ripe pears because if it's not ripe, it won't be that juicy and the juice won't be that sugary. It won't have that sugary taste. If it's well ripe, Then the sugary taste will come out. So I added more. You see? Hope you're watching. Now I'm going to put it the second one to smooth properly. That's it. You see my smoothie, my healthy smoothie. You see, I made 3 jugs because with the blender, that's another 1 jug. You see, I made 3 jugs. This will be enough for the family for the whole day. You can use it even for breakfast. Drink it a cup with toast. Drink it a cup with toast. You must not eat porridge or cook breakfast. You see, I made 3 jugs of smoothie. You see, tell me how you won't get enough iron, minerals with this, even your children, because adding enough fruit, because the fruit will bring out more sugary taste for them to not feel the spinach. You know, spinach is too plain. It doesn't have a sugary taste. So with those fruits, with those ripe fruits, the sugary taste will be enough for the children not to realize what is in there, what mommy has done. You see, mummies, you see, parents, this is the way I use for my children. This is where I help them to get enough minerals, ions from all these fruits and veg. You see, that's my smoothie. 3 jugs of smoothie. 1, 2, and 3. How is that? Don't tell me you don't like it. You like it? Subscribe to my channel. Like, share to your friends. Show them these tricks to help their children get enough minerals, iron, iron for the body to boost our immune system. Okay? Thank you for watching, guys. See you on my next video. If you like my smoothie, like, share, and subscribe. See you. Bye bye. I'm going to eat make toast for my dinner with my smoothie. Okay? See you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye.